Welcome back, focused learners, to another deep dive. Today's explainer is incredibly exciting because, well, we are looking at a massive digital transformation in a field that often feels, frankly, a bit stuck in the past. We're talking about the legal system. We're unpacking the source material behind a platform called Lawyers of Pakistan, and we're going to examine exactly how it is completely revolutionizing legal empowerment and access through a streamlined, purely digital approach.
Okay, let's dive into this. Have you ever actually had to find legal help? If so, you probably already know the answer to the question we're looking at right now. The source material points out exactly how difficult this process is, and it really acknowledges the real-world frustration of seeking legal assistance. I mean, there is often so much on the line for people, and yet the traditional process of just tracking down competent counsel is notoriously fraught with anxiety.
Section 1. The stress of finding lawyers.
Before we get into the actual mechanics of the platform, we really need to understand the core problem that new generation clients face when navigating today's legal landscape. The source text spells it out perfectly. Finding a lawyer is a time-consuming and stressful task. And that captures the universal pain point, doesn't it? You're already dealing with a legal issue, which is stressful enough on its own, and then you have to waste precious time just trying to find someone qualified to actually help you. It's a massive bottleneck in the pursuit of justice, and it's exactly the friction this platform aims to fix.
Moving right along to Section 2, Pakistan's first e-legal service.
This is where our narrative shifts to a highly innovative solution designed to completely disrupt that outdated, time-consuming process. So the crucial point is this powerful mission statement: Pakistan's first e-legal service, a website for legal empowerment. They aren't just building a digital directory or a simple contact page here. They are actively aiming to empower people. By taking the legal process online, they're establishing a centralized hub that drags legal access kicking and screaming right into the modern digital age.
And the setup brilliantly illustrates a classic dual-sided marketplace approach. It's a two-way street. On one side, clients can now easily find verified lawyers. Boom, problem solved. On the other side, the lawyers themselves get more cases in their specific fields of expertise. It's totally mutually beneficial. It seamlessly connects supply and demand, solving the massive headache for both sides of the coin at the exact same time.
Which brings us to Section 3. Services for the clients.
Let's look at how the general public actually benefits from engaging with this digital system through a really simple step-by-step client journey. Step 1. You realize, yikes, I need to seek legal assistance. Step 2. Instead of asking around or making endless, frustrating phone calls, you just use the site to connect directly to verified local lawyers in your area. Step 3. You get a lawyer who is an appropriate fit for your exact needs. It just completely removes those traditional, daunting barriers to entry.
To make that journey happen smoothly, the platform offers some highly accessible tools. We're talking e-consultations, a comprehensive lawyers list, and general legal services. But what really stands out to me are the Ask a Lawyer and e-questions and answers features. This means users from all over the world can actually get basic legal awareness and quick answers without having to immediately commit to a full, expensive, formal consultation. That is a massive step forward for everyday accessibility.
Let's move to and see how this builds a thriving ecosystem for the other side of the marketplace in Section 4, Benefits for Legal Professionals.
Take a look at these professional features. The source text makes a specific point to highlight that they offer free e-association for lawyers, right alongside a super simple register and login process. By making it free and incredibly easy to join, the platform heavily incentivizes licensed, competent lawyers to sign up. And once they're in, they get more cases in their respective fields, they can access an e-library, and even explore broader career opportunities. It basically allows them to grow their practice so much more efficiently.
And that leads us perfectly into Section 5, Empowering through Legal Education.
Expanding the scope beyond just the clients and lawyers. Now, what's really interesting about this is that empowerment isn't just some empty marketing buzzword for this platform. Let's be honest, it easily could be. But here, it is a highly structured educational mission. They actively define their empowerment as providing legal aid, building awareness of the law for the general public, and actively driving academic growth for law students through specific tools like law seminars and workshops.
This structured breakdown pulls it all together beautifully. Let me just guide you through this so we can fully grasp the entire ecosystem without feeling overwhelmed. In column 1, the focus is squarely on the clients, providing consultations and Q&A. Moving to column 2, it's about the professionals, helping them secure more cases and build solid careers. And finally, column 3 is entirely dedicated to the students, offering resources like mock tests and seminars. It's a fully integrated, three-pillar system.
Underpinning all those pillars are these core support features, and I really want to emphasize the first 2 points: pro bono services and 24/7 online support. These are vital, real-world applications of true legal accessibility. Because you know what? Legal emergencies don't just happen during standard business hours. So having 24/7 support is an absolute game changer. Couple that with pro bono options, educational blogs, and mock tests, and you have a truly comprehensive digital service.
Before we wrap up, it's definitely important to note the origins of this whole system. This innovative digital platform was founded by Shahzaib Abdullah and Co. They are the architects behind bringing this e-legal vision to life, creating this centralized hub for justice and education in Pakistan.
Which leaves us with this final, rather provocative thought. How will 24/7 online legal support and direct access to verified attorneys actually change the future of justice in Pakistan? When you remove the stress, when you save people time, and you actively educate the public, you aren't just offering a cool new website. You are fundamentally shifting how justice is accessed from the ground up. I invite you to ponder the long-term structural impact of a platform exactly like this. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep learning.